Well, I've been in both the commercial sector and now the not-for-profit sector, and I've held financial management positions, also directorship positions, where I've worked closely with boards and executive teams in around improving their businesses and developing their businesses, and also introducing new strategies. I'm currently working with SDN. SDN is a not-for-profit organisation that's been around for over 110 years, and the organisation provides services to children and families. We're actually based in New South Wales. We're based in Sydney, and we run a number of childcare centres in this state and also in the ACT. And we also provide disability services to families and children. And the organisation has grown over time. We are one of the largest not-for-profits providing services to children and families.